Hey everyone, welcome to my very first video on this channel. I am Pradnya and today we are going to take your first easy step into the world of Power BI, a tool that makes working data super cool and powerful. So, if you are a beginner, student or just data curious, you are in the right place. What is Power BI? Power BI is a tool created by Microsoft that helps you turn boring numbers into wow-worthy dashboards. Imagine you are tracking your monthly expenses in Excel like grocery, Zomato orders, petrol, Netflix, etc. You have got all the numbers, but it's just rows and rows of data. Now, what if you could turn that into colorful charts that show you where your money is going? Boom! That's exactly what Power BI does. Why it is called Power BI? The name says it all. Power means it's powerful. It can handle large amount of data, clean it, organize it, analyze it and make it look beautiful. You don't need to be a data scientist or a coder. Even if you are new to all this, Power BI holds your hand. Just drag, drop, click and done. Now, most important question. Why should you learn Power BI? Power BI is not just for data scientists or data analysts. If you are a student, a business owner, a marketer, or just someone curious about numbers, it's for you. It's beginner friendly, mostly drag and drop, and you can make your first chart in under 10 minutes. Let's move towards next slide. Power BI has 5 main building blocks. Let me explain them with simple terms. First, Power Query. Cleans your data. Think of it like data washing soap. Second, Power Pivot. Connects and organizes your tables. Third one, Power View. Helps you create the actual charts and visuals. Fourth one, Power BI Services. It helps share reports from your laptop to the cloud. Then last one, Power BI Gateway, the online platform where your dashboard live and shine. Here is the basic flow you will follow every time in Power BI. First one, data connectors. What is data connectors? A data connector is a tool that we use to connect our data sets to Power BI. Second one, data transformation. Data transformation is used for data cleaning. Means we convert data from raw data to the form useful for analysis. For example, you have a list of your monthly expenses, but some months say Jan, others say January, and a few say well. That's messy. Power BI helps you clean, format and organize this using Power Query. So, the tool understands it all the same way. Third one, data modeling. What is data modeling? I'll explain you with a simple example. We have two tables. Table 1 with match ID, date and player name, and table 2 with match ID and team. We see match ID is the same column in both tables, table 1 and table 2. On the basis of match ID column, we can build relationship between the two tables. Power BI helps you link them together using something called relationship. It's like matching puzzle pieces. Fourth one, DAX. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression. It's a formulas. Let's take an example. Want to calculate total sales or find average delivery time? DAX helps you to do that, just like formulas in Excel, but way more powerful. For example, total sales is equal to quantity into price. Fifth one, visualization. In visualization, we'll see numbers of charts. For example, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, scatter plot, etc. Power BI helps you build interactive, colorful visuals with just a few clicks. Last one, dashboards or reports. Dashboard is a collection of multiple charts in one screen. Means, for example, imagine if you are the manager of coffee shop chain. With dashboard, you can quickly see which store sold the most, or which day has the highest sales, or which drink is the most profitable, all on one screen. So, now you know Power BI helps you connect, clean, analyze and visualize data like a pro. In the next video, we'll load a real IPL 2025 dataset and create a dashboard step by step. Get ready to impress your friends, your boss and even yourself. If you like this video, give it thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Pradnya signing off with Power. See you in the next one.